Your assignment today is to draw an imaginative landscape. The first step is a horizontal line to separate the sky from the ground. That's called the horizon line. A lot of younger artists draw their landscapes right on the horizon line, but we're going to try something a little harder than that today. We're going to use one point perspective to create depth. We want to make our viewer feel like some parts of the drawing are close to them and other parts are farther away. That dot that I drew on the horizon line is called the vanishing point. It's the place in the picture where everything gets so small that it disappears. And we can use that dot to create guidelines to help us make objects look smaller as they get deeper into the picture. Don't worry, we'll practice this in class. Once you've sketched a landscape that you like, go over the lines you like with a pen or just push harder on the lines that you like with a pencil like I'm doing here. We want to darken the lines that we like now so that we can then go back and erase our guidelines and any other lines that we don't like. We'll be coloring our landscapes with oil pastels, but I like to shade my drawings first, so I'm doing that here with a colored pencil. You can go back to colored pencil anytime you want to work on smaller areas in this drawing, but the oil pastels are really much better for the big areas, and the beautiful thing about them is that you can blend the colors together to create pretty much any color. The way you start with the oil pastels is to fill in the big areas and then get a paper towel and smudge your oil pastel together to fill in any little white lines between the lines of the pastel. A lot of students make the mistake of pushing way too hard with the oil pastel the entire time in the drawing, or of smudging the oil pastel the entire time they're working on the drawing. And really it's better just to smudge that first layer of color, and then as you continue working on it, push harder or lighter to get the different values and textures that you want. Remember that this is an imaginative landscape, so I want you to have fun with the colors that you use and the things that you decide to draw. I'm excited to see what you do.